Now, there is most certainly a place, always, for both Eastern and Western medicine. I would never take that away. I believe that with all my heart. But there is not enough truth-telling around the fact that poor metabolic health is a big crisis within the obesity epidemic. When there is cellular dysfunction, it is simply that our cells are screaming out to us saying they need to be regulated and they would love to function as intended. And when we throw prescriptions at each separate symptom, instead of looking at the integrative health and the preventative nature of your choices, your actions, and your behaviors as it pertains to well-being, that's where we go wrong. That's where we need to look deeper.